efforts. In this opening remarks would be to focus on that very gap that we see sometimes between the technology teams and the leadership, or actually the lawmaking side. And in thinking about the role that institutional leadership plays in modernization efforts, the key role they have to play, along with providing vision and so forth, is to bridge the gap between how the experts in technology, those who are thinking about complicated applications, and between the lawmaking side, those who are experts in creating laws and are dealing with the substance of that. My work around the world and our company's work around the world focuses on modernizing the drafting technology in parliaments, and specifically how laws are drawn and amended and codified and so forth. And so we've worked from California to the US Congress to currently Mauritius, so all around the world. And what we have seen again and again, we've observed with other projects, is when things don't go well, it's where leadership and institutional leadership is missing. And what happens is that we find the communication doesn't go well. And also there is a sort of a sense that IT is constantly trying to engineer systems, fix problems, fix legacy issues and so forth. And they really don't have a lot of connection often to the substance of lawmaking. And that's where leadership can come in to fix that. We have seen in California, for example, the Chief Legislative Counsel there had a strong vision for how to modernize a legislative system. And she was able to step forward and kind of bridge that gap and to say that, that this is where we need to go, and was able to bring a fundamental vision to this. We also have seen, for example, in the US House, where there has been steady progress to bring data standardization, to bring increased public access, increased accuracy to the efforts. The leadership has been consistent throughout. In fact, we remember some years ago, the then Speaker of the US House, John Boehner, made a big important statement in which he talked about the conversion of the US code to extensible markup language, and was touting the implementation of this new XML standard, the United States Legislative Markup. Did he know what XML was? I don't know, but he knew what it would enable. And the thing we have found that when these things move forward, it's very important for that leadership to step forward and make that happen. I look forward to diving deeper into these challenges and into really what the role of the speaker and what leadership can play in these efforts. We look forward to a really exciting conversation.